Good morning, it is 6 AM on day 2. This is my roommate Lizzie.
Hello.
She's from London as well and lives in Bristol.
Bristol.
Yay, friends! Friends! Oh god. We're currently, well, we should be at breakfast now, but we're running a bit late. No, I don't know how.
It's literally 6 on the dot.
Yeah, I have a lot of stuff that needs to go in my suitcase still, so we'll just see how it goes. And yeah, so we are up at a ridiculous hour to go to breakfast. It's not even light outside. Look at this. Oh god. Oh, and it's quite chilly as well. So we've got like a 7-hour ride in the van today, which I'm slightly scared about because that's a long time, but we're going to see our first Canadian waterfall, which will be exciting. Should we go down these ones? And yeah, I have no idea what else. We've got a grocery store visit, which I always find like more exciting than it should be. I love like going in like getting all Canadian snacks and stuff, seeing what's different.
Yeah, and I haven't actually been into a Canadian like shop yet. So.
Have you not? I've already been into like 2. I love it. Right, breakfast time. So this is the breakfast place, and
you said it opens at 6.
Yeah, it's not open. Great. I should have checked the time.
It's Mondays to Friday.
That's just for that special though. Let's look on the door. Oh, 6:30.
No.
That means we're up a half an hour early for nothing.
A few moments later.
Here is our beautiful van with trailer. Wow.
Get like clap your arms around them.
So we just finished up at our first stop, which was Bridal Veil Falls. It was about an hour and a half outside Vancouver, and I guess I was expecting a small little waterfall, but that was really beautiful. It was right up the mountain, and you can really see why it's called Bridal Veil Falls. I think it's actually classed as a temperate rainforest, which I thought was quite interesting because I've always wanted to go to a rainforest, and I'm like, does this tick the box? Probably not. We are now in the town of Hope, which is known for wood carvings. I think it used to be in the gold rush, and they used to have camels. Some fun facts. Yes. This place feels so cool and old and authentic.
Dinosaurs again. Can't confirm. But look how cool this is. Goats like climb above you.
Oh,
They're little mountain goats.
hello goats.
Like one way up
The little goat path.
Oh.
We too can get cranky. Ah, we found some goats. We are at the most random pit stop featuring goats and a lot of animals and statues, and it is boiling. This sun is so warm. Oh, hello Mr. Goats. Hi sir. It says not to stroke you, but I want to. I want to stroke you. Oh, you got some little bird friends in there too. Hello, Mr. Goat. Are you coming to see me? Are you? Are you coming to say hello? Nope. So they can walk all the way up there. There's a little goat up there. And a little goat over there. They're trying to build the longest goat walk in the world. I think this is like a pulley system, so you can feed the goats. So you can put the food in and then whoop. So we've been in a car for quite a few hours on the last stint. It's about 4 o'clock now, and I mean we have essentially been driving since what, 7 more or less, with a few pit stops, well quite a few pit stops at first at the waterfall and then for lunch. Now this is the last pit stop and we should be at the hotel by about 5:30 I think. But this is where we are with the ponies in a little mountain valley. Who? Is that you?
There is one to the left if you look just past this body of water. Before there was a railway track, there was no way of getting food out here. So they also started as a bit of a trading post, did some trading, and then eventually the Canadian Railway was developed to out here. And now they get some of their product from the Canadian Railway. They still have a little farm in the back that has some cows and some goats.
We are now in the pretty little town of Revelstoke and going for dinner at somewhere called Chubby Funsters. It's been a bit of a rush, but we're here. Which I feel like I'm always going to say wrong. I had the ribs, which were delicious. Slightly so service, but the cocktails were great too. Slight other issues though, I will tell you about that later. Just had a delicious dinner. I'm very, very full. But it was also an eventful dinner for several reasons. I don't even know how to summarize it really, but essentially all came to a head in the fact that 2 of the optional activities that we were told that would be offered on the tour, like they're listed on the website and they have the prices against them. So one is walking on a glacier, which was one of the things that I was most excited for this tour. I've heard great things about it and I 100% wanted to do it, and I was very excited. And the other was a helicopter tour over the glacier, which I wasn't bothered about because I've been on the seaplanes God, was that only yesterday? Jesus Christ. Like every day is like 10 days long. So I was like sort of done with that. I wasn't bothered, and it was like $250, so it just seemed a bit much. So I was like, fine, I will skip the helicopter, do the walking tour instead. Now it turns out that as a group we can only do one or the other, and we are literally split 50-50 in some people want to do the helicopter, some people want to do the walk, and the tour guide is just not being flexible at all. She says it's absolutely impossible in the itinerary for us to do both, yet they were both listed on the website. So we're basically basically at like an impasse. Is that a word? An impasse? An impasse? Okay, so we're basically like, half of the group wants to do one thing, half the group wants to do the other. It all got a bit sort of like awkward. And then it sort of like made people think about the other little things that have gone wrong today. All the prices for the extra activities are wrong. They're all more expensive than they say they are, and also a few of them aren't available. In the grand scheme of things, it's a small issue, but like we've all paid so bloody much to come on this trip. Like all of us have been saving all year for this, and for it to not be 100% perfect is a bit sort of so she's like leaving it to us to come up to some sort of democratic decision, and it's like, so now it's on us that half of us are gonna have to be disappointed, and that's our fault. I'll let you know how it unfolds. I'll try and stay positive and stuff, and we've got like a really good day tomorrow, like hopefully canoeing on Emerald Lake, and the scenery today has been insane. It's just been so beautiful constantly. I need to go to bed. It's only like, it's before 9 o'clock, and I'm just like, I'm done. Oh, it's 9:30. Oh God. Right, I better actually go to bed then. Right, I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.